How about the 1967 Chevrolet El Camino? I can't believe this thing hadn't sold. This is seems to be the most popular. Every time I drive by it, there's 4 or 5 guys standing around, including you and JR one day, checking out this El Camino. Because the 67 El Camino, it was like what we talked about last week with the Novas and it's kind of plain Jane looking, but in a cool way.
Yeah.
This one's Bolero Red over black. It's got a 350 cubic inch V8, a Demon 4-barrel carburetors. Which a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic, rebuilt suspension, and a 10-bolt rear. This El Camino is really, really cool, and it's amazing the people that gravitate towards the El Camino, how popular it is. My son Garrett,
he loves El
Camino.
The gentleman's pickup truck.
The gentleman's pickup. It's like a mullet.
I like these. Yeah, that's right. Business in the front
and party in the rear.
Party in the back. But I like these older ones with more square body. Yeah, it's a really attractive car, and it looks like a muscle car coming at you, and then it turns.
Look at the square body Chevrolet pickup trucks. How successful they are right now. They're really.
It's crazy.
I know. You see like a regular old pickup truck, and it brings $30,000, $40,000, $50,000.